Okay, I've been cued. It's my turn to speak. Cars are going to come by here and probably make it noisy and you won't be able to hear me, but that's okay. Oh, nope, they turned. In any case, we're here at the front porch. We're going to give you a rundown on kind of where we're at and what's happening. So the first thing I want to point out is this little brick wall or concrete wall here. You can see it's heaved up and is tilting out forwards over the sidewalk. And so we've got this white staked because we're going to dig in that area and then they have to come out and mark where utility lies, etc. But the idea is we're going to try to get this back to vertical and see if we can't just dig out the back and then tilt it back into place. We'll see.
Want me to show that?
Sure, show that over there too.
So it
You
goes
can
up.
ask the question, it's okay. So
It goes
it's
all the way across.
front.
Okay. All right. Back
So
to you.
if you'll recall from the early videos, this stair right here was falling in, and so we pulled it up, and then we placed a brick border there to give us kind of a little landing between these stairs and those stairs. So that's where we're at now. And then we've completed our stair installation, and everything that you see that's not painted is pressure treated lumber, and we can't paint that until it seasons and dries outside. So we have to wait on that, but everything else we went ahead and painted. And so we got the panels in with the design, we got the newel posts in, the finials, stair treads, risers, and you can see this is our finished product.
Tell them how you did the posts.
I did the posts,
Yeah.
the newel posts.
Yeah.
Well, they saw the videos of us cutting them.
Okay.
Because we cut call it 3 feet. They're not quite 3 feet, but basically we cut 3-foot sections out of 2 3-foot sections out of a 8-foot post. So we have a little bit left over, but the bottom line is we got our 2 newel posts, and then I just kind of radius these tops up to give them more of a newel post look and not just a fence post look. And then we added the finials that Eileen found, I think online.
Home Depot.
Home Depot. Home
Online with Home. Yeah.
But anyway, found the finials that she liked, and so we got those put on, and I radius this up to try to match the circumference of the finial. So we did that. We got the pattern cut into these panels, which you've seen previously and how we did that, and it's a little bit of a change in that we were going to do 4 across here with a batten between all of them, but as we got into that we decided we liked 3 better than 4, and we liked it without the battens. It just kind of made it a little busier, and so we like this a little bit cleaner look for us anyway, and that's where we ended up with that. And then we radiused 2x4, just added some contour to it to make it feel like a handrail and not just a clunky board. And added the quarter round, patched it all up, and away we go.
Oh, we need to show what you did here on the side. Down
We
here.
had some of the siding that we used for the... Oh, a bug touched her.
It was
Oh,
a
no.
wasp. No.
So in any case, this siding is the siding we used on the back porch on the workshop exterior. And so the plan at this point, and if you guys have any input, please feel free to chime in on what you think, but our plan at this point is to paint everything white. This would be green. The risers will be the green of the house, and the treads will be the same as the porch. So that's what we're going to do, and then we thought we'd paint this ball green and this base green and just leave a white ring here onto the white post. So it'd be the white newel post, green base, white, and a green ball. We talked about painting this panel green, decided we really like it white, so we're kind of planning on keeping it white. But anybody who has any input, you think this should be rainbow colors down the handrails, then let us know. We'll
No,
consider
don't
it.
let us know that.
So, any suggestions you have, we're open to suggestions, but right now we're thinking it's all white, except for the green here, the green there, green here, green here. And then the treads will be the same color as the porch. And our neighbor's been so kind to start up his lawnmower, so it's great fun. We're competing against gasoline-powered engines. Anything else?
I don't think so. I think you've already talked about the other, so no, I guess.
The other thing that we're going to do, when we dig that out there for the wall, we'll cut in and take this planter somewhere off of this, so this will all come down and be a planter all up this side and across there. Both sides.
Both sides. Okay.
So I think that's it.
Okay. So those are the next things that are going to happen. And then maybe we'll do the painting. We're hoping maybe the end of August. This will be
we have to
dry out enough.
We have to let that dry out enough. So once it's dry enough, we'll get right on it. But we have to make sure it's dry or it won't take the stain and paint.
Okay.
So that's the plan. So we'll get that done as soon as we can. And we're probably going to start digging here tomorrow.
Alrighty.
Probably. As long as we get responses from all the utility companies.
So we already got red and orange, whomever that is. We don't know who that is.
We've got water done, telecom. Really all we're waiting on is, really at this point, is gas. Because I know the power line is coming from the pole out back. It's not buried. So I don't have to worry about that. But the gas meter's over on this side. And I don't know if the gas line comes up that side of the house or comes from the back end. And I don't want to dig there and hit a gas line. So,
That would be bad.
although I'm going to do it all by hand anyway, so it probably doesn't really matter. But we're following the rules and making sure that they stake everything out for us. That's a utility that we need to be concerned with. So we're waiting for the utility companies to do their job and telling us where it is in the dig zone, and then we'll get busy.
Okay. Any final words?
Hasta la vista, baby.